Hello everyone. Welcome back to MKT Software Tools YouTube channel. Today I will guide you to use software related to the Instagram platform to help grow Instagram accounts. And the feature I want to introduce today is the automatic bulk posting feature. First, you need to select parameters related to the number of running streams, the interval between consecutive runs, select the content of the post, select media if available. You can choose duplicate content between accounts, select tags that you want to add to the post. Then you can do seeding by liking and commenting on the post. Select the accounts you want to post automatically to and then let me follow the software in action.